Hi, my name is Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over a few things you could start doing to bring in more customers to your business. As I said when we called earlier, basically this is just going to be a simple SEO custom audit breakdown. We're just going to scratch the surface here of the things that you could start doing and just a few things that we do to help ensure our clients get to the front page of Google. So without further ado, let's dive right into this quick video and this quick breakdown. So just looking at your website here, I really like it. I like that you can kind of see what you guys do. You have a lot of pictures, inlays, the awards. You guys are really doing a good job of kind of promoting what it does. Some of the things I would change maybe is like this is hard. You kind of lose the white and some of the, like for there you can hardly see it. So maybe color changes and just a little more of a cleaner setup here at the bottom. But ultimately I really like it, and it's a pretty good site. But what we want to focus on is going to be the SEO part of it, or the search engine optimization. So first thing first, you want to make sure you have 1,500 words of content. So using a tool called SEO Quick, we can see if you actually have that. So you have 766 words. So why do you want to have 1,500? Well, that's because the Google algorithm, they've released that is what they're looking for. A minimum of 1,500 words basically on a homepage. Just to kind of meet their minimum standards. And the reason for is they want to make sure that your page has enough information for what people are looking for. Now the second thing I want to touch on is actually keywords, and it goes hand in hand with the amount of content. Because if you have keywords, you can be found easier. So what do I mean by keywords? Well, keywords are anything that basically gets typed into the search bar and someone hits search. It's any exact phrase or similar phrase that could be found. Now I simply just typed in construction Albany, New York. Nothing specific and not your exact area, but near you, and you guys do construction, even though it's a little more specific with the trenchless digging and stuff. But that competitor is going to be this Bennett Contracting right here. So looking at their website, we can kind of see what they're being found for. Now they're being found for 47,000 keywords. Now by found, I mean that's what the Google algorithm is finding. And ultimately that's driving 773 traffic. Now how do they get that number? Well, we can see the exact keywords they are being found for. So for example, Bennett Contracting is being searched 700 times a month, and they're in the second position on Google. Bathroom remodeling in Albany, 200. Siding, you get the picture. Now, of course, if you're not in the front page of Google or in the top 5, Google released the click rate statistics. 80% of people don't go past those first websites. So if you're past that, you're not going to be seen by 80% of the population. Now, we can look at your website in this tool called Ahrefs as well, and we can see that you have 24 keywords that you're being found for, and you're getting 14 clicks a month. So you can see that it kind of is very important. But this leads me to my last thing, and still on this page, backlinks. Now what a backlink is, it's a link from one page to another page. And when that happens, there's a transfer of power, and ultimately this DR, or domain rating, goes up. Now this is what Google cares the most about. They want to make sure that you have the most authority. And the authority, basically a popularity contest, is envisioned by how much your DR goes up. And that is based off these backlinks. So you want to have good quantity, but more important, quality backlinks to raise your DR and ultimately get you on the front page of Google. That would drive this traffic to go up, and ultimately your customer and client base to go up. Now, like I said in the beginning, this is just a brief overview of some things that we do to optimize websites and get them to the front page of Google. If you want to hear more of what we can offer and how we can grow your business, just shoot me a message back or give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.